In this video, you will learn how to import video files in Blender. There are two methods which you can use to import your media in Blender. First, you can import your video files from the File Explorer. Go to that specific folder and drag your video to the timeline. The second method which you can use is drag and drop. Drag your video file to the Blender. That's it. This is how you can import videos into Blender. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe us for more.